Car Features here, and welcome back. Today we're diving into the striking 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLA45 Final Edition, a limited edition send-off that combines blistering performance with standout styling and exclusivity. This is where the heart of AMG's compact performance portfolio makes one last roar before the next era takes over. Let's kick things off with what makes this final edition meaningful. Mercedes-AMG is bidding farewell to the second-generation CLA range, and the CLA45 Final Edition is the ultimate tribute. From its exterior to its engine, this car is engineered to celebrate a performance icon's swan song. On the outside, you'll immediately notice the exclusive manufacturer mountain gray Magno matte finish, paired with bold black and yellow 45S graphics across the front doors, black mirror caps with yellow accents, and forged 19-inch matte black AMG cross-spoke wheels rimmed with yellow touches. The exterior trim is further upgraded with the AMG Night Package Plus and Aerodynamics Package Plus, gloss black diffuser blades, fixed rear spoiler, dive planes up front, all giving serious visual attitude and functional performance. Flip the door open and the interior keeps the exclusivity running. The seats are AMG Performance ones, wrapped in black MB Tex artificial leather and micro suede microfiber, highlighted by vibrant yellow stitching and embroidery reading 45S on the front headrests. The steering wheel is trimmed in Napa leather and microfiber, the illuminated door sills glow, and a Final Edition badge sits on the center console. Subtle but meaningful touches that let you know this is special. Under the hood is where the fun truly begins. The Final Edition retains the hand-built AMG 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 416 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed AMG SpeedShift DCT-8G dual-clutch transmission and AMG 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, complete with torque vectoring and drift mode, it sprints from 0 to 60 mph in about 4 seconds flat and is electronically limited to 155 mph. One engine philosophy is what defines AMG's craftsmanship here. The engine is assembled by a single technician in Falterbach, Germany, and bears the signature plaque. What that translates to is not just raw numbers, but a unique experience. A compact sedan you can thrash with the best of them, yet live with daily. Now you might ask, what sets the Final Edition apart from its standard CLA45 sibling? Visually, it's the exclusive paint, bold graphics, special wheels, aero kit, and upgraded trim, as I already mentioned. Technically, the powertrain is unchanged, but the package, the rarity, and the finishing touches elevate it into collector territory. Availability is limited. Mercedes-AMG will build only a set number of units for North America, with deliveries beginning early 2026. Pricing hasn't been firmly disclosed yet, but with the standard CLA45 starting in the region of $60, $80, $200, expect the Final Edition to carry a premium. Driving the CLA45 Final Edition is a masterclass in balance. The 416 horsepower engine in such a lightweight, sharp-handling chassis means you feel connected, engaged, and in control. The lightning-quick dual-clutch gearbox reacts fast. The 4MATIC Plus system underpins both grip and drama, and drift mode offers rear-biased fun when you want to play. Yet because it's still a Mercedes-AMG, it's refined enough to be daily drivable, not just pinned to the limiter every corner. There's an elegance to how the Final Edition transitions between civilized cruiser and unleashed athlete. Handling is sharply honed. The chassis responds with composure, the suspension is well-tuned for both agility and comfort, and the aero upgrades aren't just for show. They hold the car planted at speed and amplify the sense of purpose. It's rare to find a performance compact that blends razor-like capability with a polished finish. That's AMG's forte. In terms of design and usability, the interior offers a premium feel with performance cues. The yellow stitching, suede surfaces, illuminated sills, and bespoke badging all elevate the experience beyond a typical hot hatch. Add in technology and connectivity. While details may vary by market and options, you'll find AMG-specific displays, sport seats, drive mode selectors, and more. And the result is a car that feels grown up yet intensely focused. For those considering it, the CLA45 Final Edition doesn't just deliver on performance and exclusivity. It also marks the final chapter of ICE AMG compact performance before the next wave of electrified models. It's a moment in time, a snapshot of combustion-era excellence. The fact that it stays mechanically unchanged emphasizes its place as a best-of-the-breed rather than a rework. So what's the takeaway? The 2026 Mercedes Mercedes-AMG CLA45 Final Edition isn't just another sports sedan, it's a statement. It's raw power packaged in compact luxury, it's design flair balanced with serious engineering, and it's an endgame AMG model crafted for enthusiasts and collectors. If you've been longing for a performance car with heritage, exclusivity, and adrenaline, this might just be your moment. Thanks for watching Car Features. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive clarity, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next review. Until next time, this is Car Features, bringing you closer to the cars that define tomorrow.